Hi, my name is Hijacking, the founder of EJP Network Consulting. Nowadays, everyone has a Wi-Fi network, and that's why I want to show you some Wi-Fi attacks and share with you some tips on how you can protect your Wi-Fi network.
Here I'm going to show you some Wi-Fi attacks. You can see MAC spoofing, encryption, cracking, or denial of service. In the case of MAC spoofing, the attacker sniffs in your Wi-Fi network for a valid MAC address and then act as one of your MAC addresses. And now in the case of encryption cracking, the attacker uses some special encryption cracking softwares, so he or she can crack your encryption method you use. It could be a WEP or WPA. Here I want to add one more thing. WEP is the easiest encryption method to crack. You can use WPA or WPA too. Next attack is a rogue wireless device. As you can see on this image, the attacker is using the rogue access point. So here the attacker can mimic your SSID and the MAC address. As you can see, they both match. So it depends on what kind of website you are visiting. So the attacker can get a copy of all the website you are visiting and your traffic as well. Next attack is a wireless hijacking. In this case, the attacker takes control of communication of your Wi-Fi network. Next attack is eavesdropping. The attacker sniffs your Wi-Fi network and can steal, modify, or delete any essential information that is transmitted throughout your Wi-Fi network. And next attack is a peer-to-peer attack. For this attack, you have to know that all the computers are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. They can share files without a need of the file server. As you can see on the image, this computer can exchange files with this one without the server. Someone can use it by being in the same Wi-Fi network like you and take advantage of this peer-to-peer communication and can steal some information from your computer without your knowledge and the permission. So now let's talk about the Wi-Fi protection. So you can change and hide the name of your Wi-Fi network, which means change the SSID or make it unavailable. Or you can also set up a strong password for your Wi-Fi network and also choose a proper encryption. For the encryption method, you have to avoid WEP. WEP is easiest encryption method to be cracked. You can choose either WPA or WPA2. Next, you can also turn off your Wi-Fi network if you are not at home. You can also choose carefully where you put your wireless access point. You can also disable remote access and also disable or deny peer-to-peer functionalities. Always make sure that the firmware of your access point is up to date. Also, you can use a firewall or VPN to protect your Wi-Fi network. And also you can change your default IP address. The quickest way to know your IP address is by using the command prompt and type the command which is ipconfig in one word. Hit enter. This one I highlighted. This is my IP address and this one is my default gateway. This default gateway is the IP address of my wireless access point. So I can copy this IP address and then open a browser and then paste the IP address. So once I click OK, this is my wireless access point. As you can see, I'm using Cisco Meraki. From this page, you can run your speed test. You can make some change by logging into your account, use your credentials, username and password. Once you're in the configuration page of your access point, you can make changes, or you can view whatever configuration you have. In my case, I'm going to show you some key points. For example, you can create multiple SSID, and each Wi-Fi network may have its features, and they might not be the same. Like here, I have my Wi-Fi network for the lab, which is going to be totally different to what I have for guests or for myself as well. Next, for the access control is where you choose your password for your Wi-Fi network. So you can choose here whatever Wi-Fi network you want to configure the password. You make sure that your password is strong enough, and also you specify what kind of encryption that you want to use. In my case, I chose a WPA2, and then you can go and choose a functionality of the firewall. So here you select the access list based on your needs, and here is where you choose the protection of the application layer. So here you can see I deny all the peer-to-peer traffic. So next is where we can hide our SSID. You can hide your SSID, so which means people cannot see your SSID. And also you can choose to enable your Bluetooth. This is the page you use to enable or disable your Bluetooth.